Thank you very much to all the teachers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you to all the teachers across Wales.
As parents, we'd all like to say thank you.
If we didn't have any teachers, I would have just been bored all the time.
We greatly appreciate the devotion by the teachers in this year, and we understand it's been very challenging.
The impact you have on young people and their mental health is astonishing, really, and I'll forever be inspired by your diligence and your commitment.
Thank you very much for the support staff.
Thank you to all the dinner staff.
Because they make loads of food for us every day to make sure we're not hungry.
The cleaners and the kitchen staff, because they don't get thanked often, and they've worked very hard also.
Thank you to the Year 5 and 6 staff.
Thank you to all the teachers.